Hello, hello everyone around the world. So with me here we have this HP. This is HP Stream model 14-AX000NA. That's the model of this HP. The laptop came in as no power, so I have to fix this laptop. I never fixed this model for HP. The laptop looks nice. HP Stream. This laptop came in as no power. So what I would do, let's plug in the power supply. Let's plug the power supply. Where's the adapter for this one? Let's see what current do we have here. 2.6, 3 point something, 3.3. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Plug in the power supply here. We have like 2 milliamps. Okay. Pressing the power. No change of current, is dead. And here we don't have any light here. We must have charging light. Okay. So basically the laptop is dead. The next step, we have customer's charger. That's the customer's charger. We can check with the customer's charger. Maybe the laptop is not coming on with my power supply. And on the charger, we do have 19.86. So with the charger plugged, still we don't have light. Trying to power on the laptop, it's just dead. So what can be faulty? I never fixed this model, but those are some kind of full laptops with the batteries, with inbuilt batteries. Where are the screws? No? Underneath this, yeah, we have some screws here. I believe another one here. Let's see what we can find on this model. What can be wrong here? No screws. Hopefully it's fixable here. We don't want to waste time. Yeah, we have 2 more screws here. This one and this one. And here we have 2 more again. So now we can take the back cover out, because all the screws are out. You must be able to take out the back cover out. Good. That's the inside of the laptop. Speaker. We have the battery. The charging port is coming here. We have the heat sink. And here we have the connector for the switch, which is going to the switch. What I want to do, I want to plug in the charger here. And obviously we don't have light. So we can check some voltages on the connector, on the switch button connector here. We can check for 3.3 and 3.18. The first pin has got 3.18, second pin 0, third pin 0, fourth pin 0.5. Okay. We do have the BIOS battery here. Let's take out the main battery connector. Let's do the basics first. Let's take out the main battery here. Let's take out the BIOS battery. Let's short pins on the BIOS battery connector. Maybe it's just a symbol. Let's plug the main battery. Let's plug the BIOS battery. Okay. Let's plug the BIOS battery and the main battery and try. And we have light. You can see the light. So that was an easy repair. Yeah? Frozen BIOS, I believe. And now the laptop must come on because we have charging light on. We have the power on light here. It is on. We reset the BIOS, so we have to wait a little bit for the laptop to post something on the screen. Oh, that was a frozen BIOS. Huh? Now you see the importance of checking the basics. Taking out the main battery and the BIOS, reset the BIOS battery, and the laptop is just on. Huh? What an easy job. HP log. And it's loading Windows. Huh? I was expecting something like this, especially on this inbuilt, this kind of laptops with inbuilt batteries. Before you go further, you need to check the basics. You need to check the basics. Now you see, the laptop is on. There's user password there. We can proceed. Mouse, the touchpad is working, and the keyboard is responding. So that was just an easy repair. Huh? I was expecting this. So yeah, that's what we have. So if we have this kind of laptops, remember to check the basics. You can fix a lot of this kind of laptops. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also share our videos to your beloved friends, relatives, boyfriends, ex-girlfriends. Yeah, the job is done. I'll put all together and the customer will be happy, and I'm happy too. And see you on the next game. Bye.